Just checking out the electric bikes and scooters at Costco today. Check out this 101 bike. The 101 bike. I've seen the Jetson a few times. There's the Jetson over there. And then they have the scooter over here, the Phantom, $3.99. Phantom A10 Smart Electric Scooter. But check out this badass bike, man. It looks like a motorcycle, right? Here it is. The 101 bike. Inspired by the California lifestyle. E-bike. Looks like it's $24.99. Big tires on it for a short little. It looks like a little mini bike, about like you'd had when you were a kid back in the 80s.